Hi everyone, thank you again for tuning in. So I know that the setup is not really ideal. I just had some difficulties while setting up. Some things broke and hence why we have this situation going on. I really apologize for this. I know that it is not cute whatsoever, but I didn't want to let it stop me from creating this tutorial for you guys. And you know what, these things happen. Just have to dust yourself off and get back up. So again, I truly apologize for this, but yeah, hopefully the next video will be better looking than the setup. But I'm really excited for this look because I'm going to be using CONNIE Transform palette, CONNIE Transform lippy, and CONNIE Transform lashes. So if you want to see how I create this eye look, then you have to stay tuned. Okay, so let's get right into the eyes. So this is the CONNIE Transform palette, and these are the colors. Aren't they stunning? I swatched them on my arm on my Instagram page, and the only one that's not so pigmented is this one, which is Nomvula. And these names are actually South African names, and I just love it. They are very pigmented, very vibrant colors. So we're gonna try it out and see, but I'm excited. I was excited when I first received the palette, so let's get into the eyes. So the first color I'm gonna go into is Christy, and we're gonna put that in the crease, and then I'm gonna go in with this one. I'm even scared to pronounce the name. Densuk. I'm sorry, Connie, if I didn't pronounce it properly. Okay, let's get into it. I've already primed my eyes with concealer. Now I'm going in with that color that I couldn't pronounce. I'm gonna start in the inner corners. So I'm gonna be doing a cut crease, and I'm not really a pro at this, but we're gonna see. So I'm gonna use my MAC concealer, and I'm gonna use this brush to cut the crease. I'm also just gonna use my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Warm Honey. So I'm not gonna set the concealer because I want the pigment to really show up on the lids. So I'm gonna take CC, and I'm gonna put her like halfway. So we're gonna cut the lid in half and then put it towards the end. I hope that makes sense. Look at how pigmented that is. So I didn't set the concealer because the shadows just appear better. So now that we are done with the blue, I'm gonna take this green shimmery color and then apply it onto the rest of the lid. So this look is very, very bold. I don't know where you're going with this look, but yeah. Just thought it'd be fun to create, you know? But I actually think it is wearable if you're going to like an event or something that's themed, then definitely. I'm gonna take Kirsty again and just go in underneath the eyes. And then a bit of that darker color just outside the outer eye. Now for my eyes, I'm going to apply lashes from CONNIE Transform, and these are in the style Mimi. My mink lashes are on, and I'm just going to use my mascara from Revlon. Now I'm going to use my CONNIE Transform Lippy, and this is in the color 4 Seasons. So I just put on my Revlon Liquid Illuminator, and I'm just gonna pat it in. So if you use a liquid illuminator, you wanna go over it with a powder highlighter. So there's different highlighters that you can use. There's the liquid, there's the powder form, there's the stick highlighter, and also pigments. So once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna take my Wet n Wild highlighter, and this is Precious Petals, and I'm just going to use my fan brush to highlight. You don't have to use a fan brush, you can use any brush, whatever gets the job done. You can also highlight your décolletage, you know, just okay, some setting spray. So this is the final look, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I know it's a bit like whoa, but have fun with it, really have fun. I would go out like this, I really would. It just depends how confident are you. But before I close out today's video, I just want to give a subscriber shout out to Alchandra De Freitas. Thank you so much for being a part of the family. If you are new here, please hit the red button before you leave, and also just click the bell so you are notified of every time I post a new video. So I have to love and leave you guys. I'll see you in the next video. May your day be ever flawless as your makeup.